I can count on this money, it's motion. He ain't ready for a war, he a blast. Don't let that confuse you, you don't wanna test me. You know how I get at the end, they get mad. She show me her brain, this little baby impressed. I'm geek, they hate on a nigga for talking that shit. You niggas stay dissing, we spit them like this. My head is like smoke, but we put you on list. Since last night I'm rockin', they come with a wrist. She stay long, little bitch, so she far long. Far long, can't control the methanol. Pat a little bitch, she be fast, her pat it with. Hey, what's going on, everybody? We out here with the Maserati, getting it ready so we could get it out to a different client. With this one, we just needed to have the brakes changed because they were grinding real bad. We got a quote, and they quoted us a price of $3,600 to change the brakes. So it was like, hey, let's just change it ourselves. And this side we got done already. I'll go to the other side here. As you can see, we're changing the brakes ourselves. Saved $3,600. Yeah, honestly, not a real hard. To me, it's not worth $3,600 to change it because it's real easy to do. It only takes like what, 15-20 minutes, 30 at the most, to change them. So we're gonna get this changed now and then get it ready for the next customer. See y'all on the other side. All right, we got the new brakes put in. Got the sensor connected this time. The last person who did it, they didn't actually have the sensor connected, so we got it. That's the old one they had on there, but it was cut. I guess they wanted to take the easy way out instead of putting a new sensor in. So now we got the new brakes put in. So now the Maserati be good and ready to go. Now just go ahead and put the pins and needles back in, get the tire back on, and good to go here. All right, we're all done. Just got done putting the brakes on, calipers on, everything good and ready to go. All right, we just finished the Maserati with the brakes. We're gonna take it on a test drive and make sure everything good. Yes, sir. What's going on with you, dog? Chilling, chilling.
Y'all vlogging right now?
Yes, sir. All right, so my business partner, he's gonna take it on a test drive to see, make sure it stops good, make sure everything good to go for the next customer. Oh yeah. All right, we try to catch him when he come back. Cause he gonna basically drive it back fast and do a sudden start with it and make sure that, you know, it's good to go. we want to make sure the customers don't have no issues with it when it comes to the brakes. So we try to make sure we test it before we get handed out to the next customer, especially after maintenance. All right, he coming out here. All right, looks like everything good to go.